What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today on this beautiful Sunday, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful evening. All right, guys, so I'm here on the yearly chart for SPY. What we have planned today, we're going to look at the yearly setup here. We're going to talk a little bit about the seminar I did today, look at futures live, and there's going to be a lifetime giveaway at the end. So make sure you stay tuned, okay? So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Amhar, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Pinocchio Paradox, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Bill, Anthony, Wesley, Dr. D, Trading Wars Army. Siva, Cindy, what's going on? Christopher, Peter, DK, Terrence, Jab, Dr. D, Human, Fed, Katie, what's going on? All right. Okay, guys. So I wanted to bring this to your attention because I was looking at the yearly chart for the S&P 500. This is SPY, the ETF, and we actually have data from 1993. Okay, and what we closed with, which I'm surprised, is in 2023 we completed the Holy Grail setup. So a Holy Grail is an outside bar followed by an inside bar, okay? And that means for all of 2023, we stayed within the range of 2022. This pattern in itself, if you just look at it strictly from a pattern perspective, is an extremely powerful pattern because generally the next candle will break out, okay? It will not close inside most of the time. All right. So generally 70-80% of the time, the next year, so in this case, this candle is going to break out, and everything is pointing to the upside so far, right? Because you could see it's near the upper range. But what if we actually came and sold off and broke last year's low? Okay, that would be probably the biggest bull trap of all time, because it would also form this triple top formation over the last 3 years, which would be pretty intense. Okay, so I wanted to bring that to your attention, and I actually wanted to go to the 15-minute chart to just look at some of these Holy Grail patterns and just show you, how they work. So here's an example, 21st of December. So the way it works, you have your outside inside bar, and then you get the yellow highlight. That's the free indicator on my website. You just add it, Trading Wars Golden Indicators. It's in the description. So you just take the break above the candle and you're gone. Here's another one right here. You can, what I'm trying to show you guys here, obviously this is the 15-minute chart, but generally this pattern does not produce a second inside bar. And we can go here again. So you can see a breakout here, even on the hourly as well. So based on that, if we go back to the yearly chart, it definitely looks like there is some type of breakout brewing, okay? And the bears really want, okay, to keep this high as the high of the year. They've already started fighting. So if we go to futures, this is the hourly chart. So this was the sell-off that started late December going into the new year, and we've continued to sell off all the way down. This is the high that they want to be the high of the year. So let's go ahead here. Let's start to look at some of these Fibonacci legs on the way down. If we come off of here from high to low, there's your first 618. Continue again from high to low. So this one never made it. So we kill that one. And then we go the next one in the sequence. High to low. There's your next 618. Continue again in the sequence. High. Oops, that's the wrong one. High to low. Right there. There's your next 618. And then finally another one. High to low. This is the one currently in play. So there's been a lot of every pullback, every rip back up has been shorted. Okay. It's been pushed back down. Every time we come back a little bit higher, we come down. Fibonacci, algos, everything is in here right now. It's a very critical time. Because if we turn the corner here, guys, we'll have to do something like this. Boom, 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 like that, bang. If we do this, guys, it's game over for the bears. Okay? Hit me with an 11 if that makes sense. So I'm really excited to be, going into this year because it definitely looks like the breakout is coming on bigger time frames. When breakouts come on bigger time frames, that's when you can make a lot of money. Okay. So let's continue here now, guys. Okay. So the futures market is open right now, and you can see we're actually selling off right now. So let's go to the 5-minute chart. So this was the first candle of the day. So this is the 6 o'clock open. From here, guys, we push a little bit higher, and then we start to sell off. Okay. So a little bit of a box range, but no gaps or anything like that that we need to pay attention to. Okay. All right. So what I wanted to do now is I wanted to go ahead here, and I just wanted to pull up my seminar file. So this was the annual seminar that we went through today with the team. And, you know, I normally don't talk about it on stream, but I really wanted to just show you guys some potential here and also my plans for the new year, 2024. So right here, guys, these are all the trades from the Discord for the afternoon Fibonacci leg. So this is a particular leg setup. This is not all my trades. This is just one of my intraday setups. Okay. And was able to risk about $400 on these trades and walking away with over 20 grand and 52 times my money. Okay. So what that means is I'm risking 400 bucks. I made 52 times $400, but next year I plan to actually size up double. So I want to be risking between $800 to $1,000. So let's say next year I do the same exact results with 52x, that'll be 52,000. And this is just a quick intraday setup. So you can see here's some examples of those setups. They are just really within 2 hours or less. It's generally 2 hours or less. Okay, hit me with the 15 if you're following me. And I also have my swing trades and my option trades, which are a different strategy, but what I'm showing you here is strictly futures intraday, okay? And something that I wanted to point out, which probably you guys are not used to seeing, is I have a 35% win rate. Most people are not going to show you that because they don't really understand how trading works. They want to tell you that you win every single trade. But I prefer to play for bigger targets, okay? I don't play for small money, guys. When I hit, so you can see here, I'm risking 400 on these trades. When I hit, it's 1,200, 1,500, 1,500. That's the style I like for intraday, because intraday you have big ranges that can come off of a 5-minute chart or a 3-minute chart. You can have big moves. You can have 50-point days, 100-point days. So that's the style I like to play. And with that style, I don't need to be accurate. So here we go. 60 wins and 111 losers, 171 trades, 35% win rate. But my risk reward is between 3 to 4. So as long as I stay within this bucket here, the minimum that I need, guys, is a 26% win rate. As long as I'm above that, I will be making money. So I just wanted to show you, I really just added the afternoon leg or the full range Fibonacci in March, and I've been tracking every single one of those trades. So you could see March, April, May, June, July was a big run. Okay. And then August was slow, right? And September, huge run. And then for the rest of the year, guys, I pretty much just washed. And that I just wanted to be transparent with you guys. There could be 2-3 months where nothing's happening, but I'm still trading, but nothing's happening. But that's just the way that the strategy works, and the way that my style works is when I'm hitting it big, you know, 10K months, 20K months. That's what I want to do. But yeah, hit me with the 5 if you found that a little bit helpful. You missed the seminar. How can I watch it? I'm thinking about uploading a private video of I'll redo the seminar and I'll put it on YouTube for Army members only. So anyone that's in the $4.99 subscribe plan, and that way you guys can rewatch it. Okay. So on the other hand, I'm also, so do you guys want me to go into detail on the actual setup? Hit me with the 10, because I don't mind. I mean, I talk about it all the time. You guys want me to go through the day trade setup and the hourly setup? Hit me with the 10. Okay. So I also have all this data here that I've been tracking, different stop losses, things like that. You can see here, guys, with the testing, it's 211 trades for 56 or 63x. But in reality, I only took 171 trades, because the thing is, guys, back testing is great. It's just the start, okay? However, you're not going to get every single trade, all right? This is the thing about back testing. A lot of people want to test. Guys, you got to get real trades, real data, okay? It's very different when you're looking at the chart in hindsight versus when you're trading. So I wasn't, even though I feel like I know how to trade fibs, I didn't get every single trade. And then sometimes you don't get filled. Okay, very important things. So learn from my data. All right, that's what I really want to share with you guys. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to go in now. So December 18th. So that's this one right here, guys. So this trade going long at 1046 and selling at 1210, 27 micro contracts, 1,586.25. So this is the perfect scenario. Ideally, this is how a perfect trade will work out. So here's the 18th. Okay, here's our first push of the day. And the key thing to note is on the first 15 minutes of the day, low to high, there is a 618 algo that I found right there. So when that comes in, now I take my anchor from the big low to the big high, and there's my trade right here, guys. So here's a 618. And something that I want to show you guys is if you're not comfortable just taking the level itself, what you'll find here, my friends, is that there's an inside bar. So if you don't want to just take the level, I always trade the level. If you don't want to trade the level, you can use the candle. And when I do a lot of live trading with you guys, I actually use the candle because it's a little bit easier to do that when you're live. Okay. So Rich, you took 34% winner and made you 20,000 and only 8% above that. Imagine, yeah, if I hit 50%, it'll be, it'll be huge. It'll be huge. It wasn't, you can see in the last few months of the year, it was just a battle. It was not really anything too special. And something that I want to announce here is I've taken my data for the last few years and my real trades, and I will not be trading every single day from a day trade perspective anymore. Okay. I am making adjustments. There's certain days of the week where I feel like trading is more favorable, where you can make more money. And there's certain days that you can't. Like there's FOMCs usually on Wednesdays. There's announcements Thursday morning. Those things are important. And the other thing is certain months of the year are a lot slower. Like, for example, August, I probably won't be trading August again this year in terms of day trading, but I'll definitely be swing trading, options, etc. Okay, hit me with the 22 if that makes sense. All right. So going back to that trade, December 18th, let's go into the Discord and let me just walk you guys through what to expect, okay, from me for the new year. So I'm going to go and find that for you. Agree, I changed the same method. Yes. I mean, you cannot treat everything in black and white. I did trade everything in black and white when I first started trading, but that's needed so you can understand the pros and cons, right? If you don't do it, you'll never understand it. But hopefully you guys can learn from me so you don't have to risk your capital at all. Okay. So this is the same setup I just showed you. There was the first 618. There's the pullback. And then you can see we're using the bot. And the goal of my bot is to try to get one good fib trade a day. Filled long, target hit, home run, boom. It's all automated. And then the profit. Okay. So this is the goal for 24, is to have a very mechanical filled target, boom. Filled stop loss. Done. That's it. Okay. Intraday, one or two good trades. That's all you're going to find. If you're finding more than that, you're probably over trading. Okay. All right. So let's go back now. So there we go. So there's that. And then now I'm going to talk about two more things, the options and the futures with swing trades. Okay. So I've hit some big swing trades and I'm going to show you guys what I'm trying to do with SPY is I'm trying to hit the hourly chart for double Fibonacci pullbacks. Okay. So the dragon. All right. So here's an example of one of the trades that we took. So here's your low to high. There's the first 618. And if you extend it to the higher high, there's your second 618 right there. Okay. So these are some of the trades that we've taken in the Discord. This is an advanced pattern. It creates this dragon formation here. Okay. And then the dragon comes like this and it towers above. Okay. So that is the plan right there. These are the wings right there. Boom, boom. Okay. So that's what I'm going to be using for swinging options 2 weeks out, one strike out the money. That's all going to be here in Dragon SPY Lottos. You can see, I'm not going for massive size because I am risking pretty much all of the premiums. So I can't go for huge size because then if I'm wrong, then I'm going to blow up. So I keep it pretty, 500 to $1,000, sometimes less than that. And this is where all the option action is going to be. And then I'm doing the same thing on things like Tesla. Okay. So Tesla, it's going to be in this room here for the swings with the options, but it's all going to be the same setup. Finally, the big boy is the Fibonacci Dragon on futures, because I can get in on this overnight. And an example of this, guys, would be going back to November 28th. This is one of the trades that we took in the Discord here. Bang, pullback, boom, extension, 618, bang, take it down. Okay. So those are some powerhouse plays that I have. So I have to be really careful of how so here we go. So here's an example of that dragon setup. So I have to be very careful on how I allocate my capital, because there's a lot of setups. So I have to be very aware of not over trading, not oversizing. Oversizing is probably going to be the most important thing for me, is not to oversize. All right, guys. So this was a little sneak peek of what we did earlier. If you guys want me to upload this as a private video for Trading Wars Army members, so anyone with the green in their name, please comment at the end of the video. I'm going to end the broadcast and you can comment and let me know, because it's going to take me at least 30 minutes to go through this again. Okay. So let me know. If there's a lot of people that want it, I'll create something for you guys. I'm thinking about doing more private videos next year. I've seen some other channels doing it, and I think it's a good idea to show support for the people that are supporting the Trading Wars Army. All right, guys. All right. So are you guys ready for a lifetime giveaway? Hit me with a 4. You guys ready? All right. Let's wrap this up here. So before I wrap up today, guys, I want to say this is the final day to get lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society. Fibonacci Society is all the swing trade setups, the SPY lottos, the stock lottos. Okay. If you want that for life, it's $100. That's it, my friends. One-time charge. Okay. That is going to expire in 24 hours. I will be removing this, and it's going to go back to the $150. So this is your last chance. All right. It also comes with my beautiful book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. Follows this journey of $16,000 in profits with some trades, as well as my broker statement and the charts detailed, written up, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. I also have recordings in the book. Beautiful. Okay. And if you want to commit, guys, to next year, you want to be there all next year, you're going to get lifetime. Okay. You're going to get lifetime to the Fibonacci Society with this package, but you're also going to get all 4 of my books, one-on-one training with me, access to my seminars. And instead of 4 months, guys, you're going to get 12 full months in the day trading room. That's where I just showed you about the SPY trade. So you'll get a full year, guys, in there. And the price is going to be $7.99. So normally it comes with 4 months, but I am tripling that to 12 months for the next 24 hours. Okay. And if this is too expensive for you, you can get the same package here for half the price. So for $3.99, just email me, rich@tradingwars.com. I have a specific discount code. Okay. Hey, Pat, how do I move from? So email me, Pat, brother, email me. I'll take care of you, brother. Okay. Email me. What else? All right, so let's do the lifetime giveaway. I already have a winner for the lifetime giveaway selected before the stream. But let me just go ahead. Let me just show you this quickly. So, because a lot of people have been asking me, what is the Trading Wars Army on YouTube? So I'll just show you that right now, my friends. All right, guys. So the Trading Wars Army, there's a button below this video. If you click join, it's $4.99. 2 people have already joined up today. What it comes with, guys, is access to the seminars for free. And it comes with these daily spreadsheets with particular stock option plays. Okay, I do it every single day. And I'm going to post the one for tonight. So there's exclusive content for the Trading Wars Army members. It's $4.99. It's a nice way to support. And I'm going to be doing a $50 giveaway at the end of this month for the Trading Wars Army. Okay, so if you pay $5, you're automatically entered into the $50 giveaway, because I'm going to try to give back some gains every month to the community, my Discord, and the YouTube. Okay, so I think that's pretty nice. $5 a month for a chance to win 50. That's a 10x, guys. That's a good risk to reward, right? You guys are risk to reward experts. All right. The winner of the lifetime giveaway is David Kerfeld. Okay. David Kerfeld retired this year and learning the business. I have always had a passion for trading. And, that really impacted me because, I respect that hustle and that grind. I really do. So looking forward to this. Thank you. So David, you are the winner. Email me rich@tradingwars.com. And thank you for being a loyal supporter. And don't worry, my friends, if you missed this one, there's going to be another one right next week, lifetime. Okay. So please comment, like, subscribe right now. All right. I'm out. David, email me, brother. And let's get it, guys. Let's get it. January is here. 2024 is going to be the best year. All right. 50 to 100K profits minimum. Okay. If I do better than that, I hope I do, but I want that as my minimum goal. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.